A lot of YouTubers will tell you about passive income stream that can make you money while you sleep. But what they actually do not tell you is what you need to do before your income is passive enough to earn your money while you sleep. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what you can do, your responsibility in getting to a point where your income is passive enough to earn your money while you sleep, up until the point where you can go about your daily activity or just do a little here, a little there, and your money keeps flowing in, month out. Now, look at something I have done personally that has worked. On my screen here, you will see a channel, a YouTube channel that we just started in October that has started making us up to $100 every single month. Now, you can only imagine if it's only earning me $100 right now in January of 2024 and I started this in October of 2023, you can only imagine what it can earn me in March. Think about what it will earn me in July, and think about what it will earn me in December of 2024 if I keep my part of the bargain, if I keep my responsibility. It's only going to grow. Now, also on my screen is a Payoneer dashboard, and you can see the date there, a Payoneer dashboard that reflects money I have made from Amazon Kindle. And guess what? This Kindle account was only opened in November of last year, and I opened this few accounts in order to make a video like this that I can show you that this actually work. But the point is that there are responsibilities, there are things that you need to do, and in this video I'm going to be showing you things you need to do that can achieve you that. So if you're a working mom, if you're a 9-to-5 worker and you do not have time, as a matter of fact, if you do not have time at all for anything online, I'm still going to show you what you can do, how you can go about this, and you can make passive income in 2024. 5 passive income you can implement in 2024. Now, hold up. If you are a first timer on this channel and you have not subscribed, you're in a long thing. Do very well to hit on the subscribe button and also hit on the bell button so that every time I drop a video like this, you'll be among the very first to get notified. Reason being that you might not exactly get what you want from one video because you might not be interested in it, but you would get what you want from subsequent video. I am guaranteed of that. Now, also, if you want me to make a video about anything you're interested in, leave a comment in the comment section and I'm going to address that. Now, without further ado, let's go straight in. Let me show you how this works. My first recommendation is going to be start a YouTube channel. Hold up. I know you're going to respond to this with some form of, oh, it's difficult to start. All right, I need 4,000 watch hour, I need 1,000 subscribers and all of that stuff. Now, let me give you a very quick caveat. Follow me to my screen. Let me show you something. This is a YouTube channel we started in November, like I mentioned earlier on in this video, and you can see already in the past 28 days this video has made us over $100 already in revenue. Now, the reason why I'm going over the multiple pages on this video or this screen is just to show you clearly that this is not some cliche. This is actually something we have implemented. You can see my traffic, you can see December clearly written on the dashboard. So this is actually real time. This is a YouTube channel we just started recently, right? And with consistency, we have already achieved $100,000 rather. Of course, we're going to get to 100,000. Now, listen. Not too long ago, I admonished a friend of mine who is actually proficient in accounting and Excel to start a YouTube channel. And guess what? He's halfway through monetization already. All he does online is to teach people basic skills on Excel and basic accounting skill online. Now, there is also a friend of mine who is interested in blogging and all that, vlogging and all that. And not too long ago, she monetized her YouTube channel. And guess what? I encouraged her to start. I have about 4 YouTube channels. This YouTube channel is one. The very one I showed you is also one of our YouTube channels, and there are also numerous YouTube channels like that I am starting. Now, it's because I have understood how this works. Now, when it comes to YouTube automation, a lot of YouTubers just tell you what YouTube automation is and what it can do for you, but what they do not tell you is what YouTube automation is not. Now, YouTube automation is not about using an AI to create some video out there and put it on a YouTube channel, and it suddenly makes you 6 million naira or 6 million views, get you 6 million views, and you suddenly start making money from it. Absolutely not. The reason is that AI is actually functioning based on certain algorithm which YouTube can easily flag, and once YouTube does this, YouTube does not promote your video. Another thing, YouTube automation is simply not, it's not about you posting videos or sounds of rainfall or sounds of meditation or music sounds on YouTube channels and then you suddenly get some, accelerated views and earns you money. Absolutely not. You can do that, but the point is that you're going to be frustrated. And this is the challenge. A lot of YouTubers will just tell you what you would do. A lot of people go out there and start implementing and do not see results, and I get frustrated and suddenly think every YouTuber that talks about things you can do to earn your money online is actually fake. and that is why you need to continue watching. Now, what do you need to succeed as a YouTuber? Of course, you know that you need 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers to succeed as a YouTuber. But what you actually need to succeed is simple. Find something you're interested in. You cannot tell me that you're not interested in something. You know something. Everybody kind of has some knowledge. Even if you're a mechanic, you can actually start a YouTube channel. Yes, teach people about your mechanic skill, right? Have a tripod stand, have your camera on some. This video I'm making right now, I'm making it on my phone, iPhone 13 Pro Max. And if you go down my channel and watch other videos, those videos were made using a Redmi Note 10 Pro. Guess what? I didn't need a sophisticated camera to start. If you are a mechanic or a tailor, walk people through your process of making every dress that you make. As simple as that, people are going to love your videos. Now, I saw a video on YouTube, on a YouTube channel recently. Guess what? They just show people how to get honey from bee, and that video had over 17 million views on YouTube. So yes, you get something you're interested in, start a YouTube channel already. The second thing I want to tell you is to start an Amazon Kindle account. An Amazon account I opened in, I think, November or October, I'm not sure, and I'm already making passive revenue from it. Now, all you have to do is to write books. Now, it's very simple. If you cannot write books, go on Fiverr. Now, look, follow me to my screen. On Fiverr here, you can see there are people who offer these skills. I would write a book for you, 5,000 books and all of that stuff, and you get paid. All you have to do is to pay these people, and once this book is ready, you upload it on your Amazon Kindle account. Isn't that beautiful? So this is also very essential for people who have a 9-to-5 job and can't seem to do something else. You can actually start an Amazon account and your books are going to be there. You pay somebody to design a book cover for you on Fiverr. You can also pay somebody, like you see here, to write your books for you, and all you have to do, your job, is to upload it. And even to know what book to write, what industry, what niche you need to focus on. You can also get people to research for you trending niches on Amazon here, and all you have to do is pay them. First, you get people to research what books you should write, what niche you should actually focus on. The second person is someone who would write a book for you. The third person is someone who would actually make a book cover for you, and your book is complete. You have your topic, you have your book cover, and you have your book, and the next thing, boom, is to publish. In case you cannot even write a book for you, you can actually reach out to me, drop a comment in the comment section. That's something a skill I actually render. Another skill you can actually render, right? The third one on this list, I'm giving you 5. If you're interested in more, leave a comment in the comment section. I'm gonna do that also. The third one I want to share you is writing. Now, let me tell you, one of the skills that had made me more money online than anything else is actually writing. Now, this is my dashboard. This is how much I make almost every single month. And guess what I do? I write. Guess what I do? I write for multi-corporate organizations, multinational organizations. I have a blog. This video will not permit us time to go over all of that stuff, but I have a blog. You can start writing. If you do not know how to write, I can show you. I'm going to be coming up with a course very soon, a masterclass that teaches people how to write. It's going to be absolutely free. Don't worry, you're not paying anything from it. It's going to be absolutely free. One of the reasons why I started this channel is actually to help people, right? It's not about making money and all of that. I just want to help. I've learned a lot from YouTube. I've learned a lot from people, and I've implemented and made so much money. I just want to give back, and that's why this YouTube channel is here. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel up until this point, do very well to hit on the subscribe button and share this video. Now, the fourth thing on my list is actually freelancing. Now, remember I told you that you can get people on Fiverr to write books for you, to design book covers for you, and to do research for you. If any of this skill is something you know, you can actually offer it. If you know as little as knowing how to sing, you can actually teach that on YouTube, on Fiverr. All you have to do is to create a Fiverr account, right? And say, I can teach your student, your child, how to sing in 2, 3, 4 months. And people are going to pay you and recommend you and actually get you to start teaching their kids. I promise you this works. In 2024, you don't want to sleep. No, the fifth thing I want to show you is affiliate marketing. Now, a lot of people think affiliate marketing is, oh, it's such a big deal. No, absolutely no. Now, remember, I told you about YouTube channel. if you have a YouTube channel, as simple as a YouTube channel, once your YouTube channel start getting some form of traction, you can actually get links from, you know, brands, businesses, and paste their link on your YouTube channel and recommend people to click on it if they are interested in the service or product, and you get a commission from it. Affiliate marketing is as simple as that. I did a video on my YouTube channel that showed people how you can make money from simply getting people to open a Payoneer account. Now, if you do not know what a Payoneer account is, a Payoneer account is a US bank account. Simple. If you have an Amazon Kindle account, you get paid through your Payoneer account. All you have to do is to pick your link from your Payoneer account, post it on your WhatsApp, as simple as your WhatsApp. Once anybody opens that link and uses that link to register, you get a commission. You get a commission from it. That's beautiful. Do you understand? So the fifth one is affiliate marketing. Now, if you do not implement anything among everything I've told you, please do not give up on your YouTube channel. Start a YouTube channel. Talk about anything. Talk about, if you as good as laughing makes you money from YouTube. All right, please, if you feel like I've given you value for your time, do very well to like this video, subscribe to this channel if this is your first time, leave a comment in the comment section if there's something you want me to talk about more, and I'm going to do it. Now, if you do not know how to open a Payoneer account, by the way, I'm going to make a video on how to open a Payoneer account in the coming week that we are in, and you should watch that video.